क्या देखकर किसी को आकर डायमंड ज्वेलरी खरीदना चाहिए?
See, there are a lot of things that to keep in mind.
मतलब 5 साल पहले किसी को पता नहीं था लैब ग्रोन डायमंड बोलते किससे जब ज्वेलरी हब ने शुरू किया था। तो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से अबाउट इट?
Play around with any personality. Yeah. Lab-grown diamonds are the new age diamonds. It's a new wave in the diamond industry.
Hello and welcome to Jewelry Chronicles, where we dive deep into the world of jewelry, craftsmanship, and innovation. We have the proud owner of Jewelry Hub with us today, Mr. Tejish Saraf. Welcome to the show, Tejish.
Thank you, Divedi. Thank you so much for having me here. And it's a pleasure to be here. It's a pleasure to talk about Jewelry Hub's journey and also what an educated jeweler is all about and what innovation and craftsmanship is all about in the world of jewelry. Thank you.
What do you mean by an educated jeweler, Tejish?
So I would like to answer here for an educated jeweler. So आज क्या है market में there are trends, there are innovations. There's so many things that are coming into. There's not only designs, the type of craftsmanship. जैसे आप पोल्की को आप बनाते हो ओपन सेटिंग का क्राफ्टमैनशिप है. So when लाख नहीं होता तो आपके customers are not cheated upon with the gold weight. So that is there. Then there's movement into the lab grown jewelry. There's so much. So when you keep yourself updated and when you keep your clients updated, that is what I mean by educated jeweler. Also the traditional and education, when they mix together, that is what we bring here to Guwahati.
That's lovely. Before we dive in, let's get a little background. Jewelry Hub has quite a reputation, not only in Guwahati but in Surat too. So, could you tell us a little more about the roots of Jewelry Hub?
So Jewelry Hub, as we all know, is a brand that is based out of Surat. So Jewelry Hub is now into the fourth generation jeweler. Surat,
The roots.
in Surat, it is over 90 years old. So the legacy, the
90
trust,
years?
yes, it is over 90 years old. In fact, we were one of the first diamond jewelers in Surat itself.
Wow.
So it takes a lot to build from there, build the trust, the craftsmanship, the innovation, and everything. We have a team of my own manufacturers, karigars, assorters, everyone in-house. So that's the legacy that we bring in. Through Surat, we have expanded into Delhi. We have expanded to London. We have our showroom.
London as well?
Yes.
That's quite a news.
Yes. In London, we have a showroom in in Bond Street in London, and Delhi also, Hyderabad, and we have many more upcoming projects.
Trust and longevity are the keywords when it comes to jewelry buying. Apart from Tejesh Saraf and Poonam Sarafji, we hear another word that pops in here, Mr. Rahul Singhal.
Yes.
Could you please enlighten us about this name as well?
Rahul Bhaiya, as you all know, Rahul Bhaiya is the name behind Jewelry Hub. So he's our partner. He's our experience guidance, which we call. So आज गुवाहाटी में अपन क्या है कि we are starting up new. If we start up new, but क्या है कि राहुल भैया जो he's a fourth generation jeweler.
Oh.
So उनका जो experience है and मेरा जो enthusiasm being a new person, being someone new, जो youngster energy है, and उनका जो experience है, that is calibrating properly here.
Lethal combination of experience and enthusiasm together. Young generation with experience,
Exactly.
craftsmanship, and Guwahati being the town to buy,
Yes.
with Surat being the town for craftsmanship. What a wonderful combination. Sounds like a great synergy. We have heard that Jewelry Hub deals in very high quality diamond standards. Could you please enlighten us about the standards that we adhere to at Jewelry Hub?
So I'll correct you here. So not only for diamonds. Today we have Polki, we have gold. We adhere to a great standard. For gold, it is 916 hallmark gold. For Polki also, it is uncut diamonds, the best in class Polki diamonds. And for diamonds which you're talking about, yes, we do adhere to a top quality diamonds, that is FG color, VS clarity.
Okay.
We maintain such high standards that you will not find a single black spot on any of our diamonds.
Wow.
You can get an FG color VS diamond with a single black spot. So why to buy a black spot when you're buying luxury?
Absolutely. What are the C's of the jewelry world, Tejesh?
The 4 C's: the cut, clarity, color, and carat.
Wow, great. So that's quite informative. That's fantastic. Educating your customers about the trends in jewelry and, with the changing trends in LGDs, how do you inform your customers and keep them updated?
So it is all about keeping yourself updated first. So when you keep yourself updated, you will know that your client is satisfied. You'll know that the customers around you are satisfied. You'll know the people around you. You're providing a proper information. You're providing transparency. You're providing the proper pricing strategy. And being from Surat, we have access to everything today. Be it colored diamonds, be it natural diamonds, lab-grown diamonds. So we know what is going on in the market, and we know what the innovation and trend is currently in the market.
Okay.
सो वो सारा सब कुछ अपन लाते हैं इमीडिएटली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जस्ट फॉर अ स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल, दैट कि आज ट्रेंड्स में है मदर ऑफ पर्ल्स का ज्वेलरी. एमओपी में जो ज्वेलरी होता है, वी हैव इट एट अ शोरूम. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट,
Great.
कलर्ड डायमंड्स आल्सो वी हैव इट एट अ शोरूम सिंस अ लॉन्ग लॉन्ग टाइम. अभी रिसेंट में ट्रेंड में नॉर्थ ईस्ट क्या है कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट में ट्रेंड्स आते हैं लेट.
Okay.
अपन सूरत, लंदन, दिल्ली बैठे हैं, तो जहाँ ट्रेंड्स ऑलरेडी सेट, दोज आर द ट्रेंड सेटिंग सिटीज. तो वो ट्रेंड सेटिंग सिटीज का ज्वेलरी जो है, दैट वी ऑलरेडी हैव इट एट अ शोरूम. So you can move ahead of the trend being at Jewelry Hub.
So Jewelry Hub in Guwahati is already the trendsetter, guys. So how about the buyback policy here at Jewelry Hub?
See, buyback आज India में India offers a buyback policy. It is not outside. India offers a buyback policy. So we also offer a buyback policy to all our clients. Not only for gold. Gold जो रहता है वो तो gold is an investment. And I would like to point out here, since we're talking about investment, so diamond can never be an investment. You should never think of a diamond as an investment. आजकल बहुत लोग होते हैं कि people आते हैं कि कौन सा diamond खरीदना चाहिए अपन को, कि ये आप मैं इसमें invest करना चाहता हूँ. I have told, and it is a point blank statement, never buy a diamond as an investment. Diamond is not an investment. Diamond is an asset with a return value. Bas. It is a luxury that you are affording. So when you're buying luxury, you don't want to compromise on black spots or something. So you're buying the absolute class. So that is what diamond is. It is an asset with a return value.
So that's the best friend to stay with us forever, never to give it back.
Exactly. So never think of it as an investment. Gold is an investment. Go for gold if you're looking for investment. Don't buy a diamond. Diamond is a luxury.
That's pretty honest coming from an educated jeweler, guys.
And it spoke to you about transparency also.
Absolutely.
So you should never misguide someone.
So Tejesh, we would want to know what are the factors, क्या देखकर किसी को आकर diamond jewelry खरीदना चाहिए? What should one keep in mind?
See, there are a lot of things that to keep in mind, but generally it should be certified. It should have a IGI or a GIA certificate. If you're buying solitaires, you should always look at the 4 C's that you mentioned: the cut, clarity, color, and carat weight. So it matters a lot. It matters a lot कि आज आपका डायमंड का कट कैसा है, द कैरेट कितना है, द कलर क्या है. If it's since I mentioned that we deal in FG color, VS clarity, and we provide certification, IGI certification with all our jewelry, be it natural, be it lab grown. We provide an IGI
That's
certification. Yes, so that has a value for you. That adds a value for you. And IGI has trusted upon Jewelry Hub as a trusted jeweler. There are limited approx 200 jewelers all across India. Those are trusted jewelers. How do you become a trusted jeweler now? So trusted jeweler is someone who maintains a quality standard and they maintain transparency among their clients. So if you're providing a F color diamond with a VS1 clarity, so it is there on the certificate. And it is the code of the IGI certification is also mentioned on your diamond, laser inscribed on your diamond.
Wow.
So you should always ensure that it's all certified, and you should always maintain that trust.
Do keep this in mind next time before you buy your diamond jewelry. Being an IGI trusted jeweler is quite an advantage. I believe Jewelry Hub was the pioneer in introducing lab-grown diamonds to Guwahati. So how has that been? How has the response been?
Yes, you're correct. And what we maintain is like जो market में moving है. आज जब when other people were hesitant about lab-grown diamonds, there are a lot of commotion, there are a lot of misinformation regarding lab-grown diamonds in the market. At that point of time, 5 years back in Guwahati, we were providing lab-grown diamonds with certificates at that time.
So we would like to know, since you were the pioneer in introducing lab-grown diamonds to Guwahati, how was it? How has the response been? मतलब 5 साल पहले किसी को पता नहीं था lab-grown diamond बोलते किससे जब Jewelry Hub ने शुरू किया था. तो what would you like to say about it?
See, as you mentioned that jewelry industry is important. So lab-grown diamonds are the new age diamonds. It's a new wave in the diamond industry. We brought lab-grown diamonds when there was a lot of confusion in the market, when there were misinformation about lab-grown diamonds and when about diamond jewelry itself. So we brought lab-grown diamonds then. And as I mentioned, IGI trusted jeweler. So we are providing a certification with a natural as well as a lab grown diamond. After, if anyone wants any knowledge from us, I'll educate you कि आपका lab grown diamond ऐसा होता है, natural diamond वैसा होता है, ये सारा सब कुछ एक ही है. And then it is the client's choice what they want to buy. I'm here to educate. I'm here to tell you the differences. I'm here to tell you the prices. I'm here to tell you the certification, and everything is very transparent.
So we are not into push selling. We are more into informative
Exactly.
selling.
So it is the client's choice after all.
Let's shift gears. Recently, you guys have ventured into gold jewelry.
Yes.
What prompted you into doing that? Suddenly, gold jewelry क्यों?
I think gold is always in classic, you know. Gold has always been a classic, and as I mentioned, it is also an investment. So gold, we have ventured into gold, and we have brought in classic contemporary designs mixed with the traditional craftsmanship. So वो पुराना craftsmanship and new age designs.
Wow.
That's what we have brought into Guwahati. Apart from that, we have two different kind of collections. एक वो classic contemporary design जो मैंने बोला, एक रजवाड़ा collection जो मैंने बोला. तो ये दोनों अपन ने लॉन्च किया. It is all 916 hallmark, and being from the diamond industry, our gold jewelry is also crafted by the diamond कारीगर्स. आज डायमंड का जो काम है,
गोल्ड ज्वेलरी डायमंड के कारीगर बनाते हैं.
Yes.
वाओ.
आज डायमंड का जो काम रहता है अपना, उसमें बारीकी का काम रहता है, स्मॉल स्टोन्स एवरीथिंग जो प्लेसमेंट रहता है. गोल्ड में भी अपना वैसा है, डायमंड के कारीगर्स उसको बना रहे हैं. तो इट इज very smoothly finished, and you will see the craftsmanship if you see the gold jewelry. Yes.
So guys, next time you're wanting to invest into gold, you have to drop in our Jewelry Hub. Customization seems to be a big part of Jewelry Hub. Customized, tailored कपड़े के बारे में सुना था. So you know, what do you want to speak about bespoke jewelry?
आपने बोला कपड़े के बारे में सुना था. कपड़े आप अपने चॉइस के हिसाब से करवाते हो ना, तो why not jewelry?
Absolutely.
So at Jewelry Hub, we keep in mind आपका डिजाइन, आपका बजट, आपका पर्सनल जो आप क्या कैरी कर सकोगे. We work closely with our team of designers, कारीगर्स to make that fit you. मतलब that is for you.
You mean you play around with the personality of the person कि क्या चीज उन्हें सूट करेगा?
I don't play around with any personality. So उनको what they can carry as कि आज maybe someone who is not able to carry one set will look better on someone else. So वो अपन उनको सजेस्ट करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनको पसंद आ रहा है तो वो ही दे देंगे. उनको no we'll tell them कि आप इसको ऐसा कस्टमाइज कराओ. आज we have a boutique concept of jewelry here. Boutique concept में क्या रहता है? आप कपड़ा जब बनाने जाते हो, यो बुटीक में अगर आप जाते हो तो इट्स लाइक कि आप कस्टम मेक जो वैसा रहता है, वैसा ही कंसेप्ट है यहाँ पे ज्वेलरी में. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो कस्टमाइज योर ज्वेलरी. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको जो रेडी है वही लेना है. एंड वी कस्टम मेक एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग विद इन मैक्सिमम 15 डेज. अगर आपका कुछ छोटा ऑर्डर है वो तो 7 दिन के अंदर ही आ जाता है. बाकी कुछ बड़ा हो तो मैक्सिमम 15 डेज के अंदर आ जाता है.
So I can come and choose कि मेरे बजट में इस पर्टिकुलर डिजाइन को कैसे सेट कर सकते हैं, with what stone and weight and everything.
Exactly.
That's a beautiful concept, and I think it resonates well with the brides. So since you guys are specialized into polki jewelry, what would you like to talk about the bridal polki collection that we have here?
Yes, as you mentioned, brides and polki, it is an aspiration of every bride that they wear polki traditional jewelry.
Celebrity जैसा लगना होता है ना?
So for that we maintain high quality standards. जैसे मैंने बोला कि uncut diamonds रहते हैं polki जो उसको अपन यूज करते हैं. And bridal standards जो है, it has risen. आज पोल्की में क्या रहता था पहले वाले ज्वेलरी में पोल्की में लाख भरा रहता था. मैंने आपको जो बताया इनोवेशन के थ्रू नाउ वी यूज ओपन सेटिंग. ऑल आवर ज्वेलरी इज इन ओपन सेटिंग. सो देयर इज नो चांस ऑफ चीटिंग ऑन द गोल्ड वेट. तो आपको एग्जैक्ट गोल्ड वेट पता चलेगा कि कितना. जब लाख भरा रहता है तो देयर हैज बीन लॉट ऑफ केसेस
लूपहोल्स हो जाते हैं.
यस. तो ऑल ओपन सेटिंग पोल्की ज्वेलरी. एंड वी आल्सो हैव अ ब्राइडल रूम हियर. सो आज क्या रहता है ब्राइडल रूम में, you can try on the jewelry along with you can bring in your lehenga. We have a changing room as well. You can bring in your lehenga. You can have use here the one which is here, and
you can actually look आप उस दिन कैसे दिखोगे.
Exactly. आपको एक wedding ambience में wedding collection के साथ आपको कैसा लगेगा उस दिन, क्या exactly the jewelry is matching with your outfit or not.
सालों पहले ना ये सब कॉन्सेप्ट था ही नहीं. When I got married, I wish it was there that time. Life would have been much easier. So Tejesh, why Jewelry Hub? कोई क्यों Jewelry Hub ही आकर खरीदे?
as the conversation went, there are multiple reasons. There's trust, there's transparency, there are designs which we are catering to, there's the buyback guarantee, then there is international standards that we are maintaining, IGI trusted jewelers, and 90 years of legacy, fourth generation jewelers. ये सब सारे एक तरफ, एक चीज और आता है कि when you enter into jewelry hub, no, we see you as family. We see you as family. आज आप चाहे लो या ना लो, you have entered into the Jewelry Hub family. We maintain that kind of relations.
Wow.
So it is a personal touch that we provide to everyone. So that's why Jewelry Hub.
So all in all, Jewelry Hub में आए और एक जादू सा पाए, कस्टमर बनकर आए और फैमिली बनकर जाएं.